we're doing. Well, only one more.
No, we're doing hay fever too.
Oh.
Oh, get back.
I am.
Anything like the other ones, you might want to get back.
Alright guys, sorry for that last one. I was running all the way over there because that was cool. Sorry for the last one, guys. I was running. Sorry guys, I might be running away again. Guys, this is gonna be called the title of this video is gonna be called Extreme Fireworks.
Yeah, Mom, we don't want the tall ones. We also got these too.
I won't get one of these ones.
Mia, come on back in here.
Guys, we're coming out with a whole entire show. Nigga.
They're the last ones.
Can Daddy buy more?
So there's one more of those still left on the table.
No, this is it. I can get more.
Like lots of more, because this is fun to watch.
It is the 4th of July, so if we use them all up, it's not going to...
This one feels heavy.
I can't wait for this one.
It kind of heavy.
I can't wait for this one. This one's going to be sick.
Those are the little ones that we were lighting off out back.
I know.
That's not a whole one.
Oh.
Yeah, they always do it big around here. No
Yeah.
matter what it is. They
This-
always try to...
This is what we should stay in America.
Okay, if you want to, well, 10,000 people are going to lose Medicaid within the next 10 years.
I'm gonna get only these two. Because I kind of like those little ones.
You know what I'm going to do. I'm moving.
This one's called Funtastic.
Fantastic.
Yeah, it's gonna be tastic. You know what, guys? But the last fireworks were scary, so I think I'm gonna stay over here with my family.
I'm staying right here.
Some of them aren't even that scary. Compared to what I've seen in the past.
Yep.
Which one is that?
Oh shit!
More fantastic.
I like that one.
Yeah, me too.
Amnesia.
Uh,
Wait, what? That's not a firework.
you know what? I'm gonna scan just a little bit. I was over here first, actually.
You might want to move, Jay.
That's somewhere, Jay. Grenade!
String came out.
Beginning
So how are they stringing that one?
Because once you light it, it was a big ass box of pyro.
Grenade!
Just fired. These were connected in the box together.
Oh! You missed your target.
Along with these.
Well, what the fuck are you gonna do with all that?
For a rainy day. You want one of them crap babies get away from you, like, here, bitch,
I don't wanna know.
Bob, can you bring guys we're done with the fireworks for now. But come back tomorrow for some more fun around 9 or 10. But look how hard it is to light this gang fireworks. Look how hard it is to light this gang. Never mind, guys.